Welcome to Create with Fran. Let's craft some scarecrows. So for this big one, I used a cardboard circle, added a little padding, and then cloth. Now for the hair, I'm starting with some paper rope, and I'm just gonna spread that out and then cut 3 sections. Then I'm going to add some raffia ribbon just for some more texture. Now let's make a cozy hat. A little cardboard for a base. And I'll add a burlap patch and band just to have a country rustic touch. And a little raffia straw tucked in here under his burlap bow tie. And then a little personality added with some fabric markers. So I realized the cinnamon wouldn't work by itself on the cheeks, so I added a little glitter glue, mixed that up, and now I have shiny cheeks. So this smaller one, I'm going to start with a wicker picnic plate. Now some orange yarn and raffia ribbon for the hair. Another rustic patch on the hat. I got some felt for the eyes and nose, and just a few extra touches here. And finish with those sparkly cheeks. And there we are, my country scarecrows ready for fall. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And you might like this other video next, making paper pumpkins. Thanks for creating with me.